Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by unlocking and sliding the sash all the way to expose the screen frame. This gives you room to work without forcing parts. Once exposed, inspect the top and bottom edges for spring clips, plastic tabs, or small screws. These hold the net in place. Use a flat tool to gently depress clips or a screwdriver for screws. Keep the fasteners in a tray so nothing is lost. You do this now to prevent bending the frame and to make removal controlled rather than rushed. Once you've released one side, tilt that corner outward to relieve tension, because screens are typically held by tension and will flex. Make sure you lift the screens slightly to clear the lower track. This prevents scraping the bottom weather strip. Move methodically to the opposite side and free the last clips or screws. Don't yank. If the screen resists, check for hidden fasteners around the frame edges. Taking a breath and reassessing avoids bending or tearing the mesh. After you lift the net free, lay the screen flat so you can inspect the spline, frame corners, and mesh. You want to spot splits or kinks now because they cause wind noise or gaps. If spline or mesh is damaged, replace those components before putting the screen back. This ensures smooth sliding and a tight seal. When reinstalling, reverse your steps and secure the clips or screws, then slide the window to test clearance. If it sticks, check alignment and low-track debris as a troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.